Hello, thank you for being here at Amazon Business Reshape 2023. My name is Mubin Khan. I'm the Director of Global Partnerships and Business Development here at Amazon Business. I'm here today to talk to you about challenges and opportunities, changes and innovation, how we can respond to disruptions, reinforce resilience, and reshape our buying processes for a better buying decisions and for better processes. As both Alex and Aster have highlighted for us this morning, today's business hurdles at times feel so abundant. But what I want to spotlight here for you is how we are using technology to address and overcome those challenges right head-on. Last year, my colleague, Amazon Business CTO Doug Gray, took to the main stage. Some of you were here. And he talked about how technology was helping organizations make more responsible and socially minded purchases, while also navigating a global pandemic, massive economic disruptions, employee turnover, and broken supply chains. Of course, some of these trends have continued and stayed, while others have evolved. And they have evolved in complexity and urgency. In some cases, entirely new considerations have emerged. As a friend to our customers everywhere, our teams at Amazon Business are constantly evaluating whether we are providing the right features to meet your current needs, as well as how these smart solutions can we anticipate your future needs. Today, I'm excited to be at Amazon Business Reshape to explore the exciting intersection between procurement, technology, and innovation, and to announce some of the new functions and new features we've been working on to support you, our customers. And let's dive in. Let's start with a technology trend that's been and continues to be front and center right now, the consumerization of procurement. We've all experienced the ease of online shopping in our personal lives. It's intuitive, it's convenient, it's personalized. You can find exactly what you need, add it to your cart, and have it delivered in a few days, or in some cases, even in a few hours. Buying for your business, on the other hand, has historically felt cumbersome. It's convoluted, time-consuming, and as Aster called attention to just a bit ago, 95% of buying decision makers believe procurement has room for optimization. And respondents listed inefficiencies and complexities as the top challenges they face. Why isn't procurement as seamless, as simplified, as satisfying as a consumer purchasing? It can be. And fortunately, we are working hard to make the change happen for you. The pandemic brought a wave of innovation in our business processes and the entire procurement function. Smarter technology can better anticipate business needs and reduce multi-step processes and make life easier for buyers within procurement and across other departments. At the same time, the need to democratize our purchasing operations and involve folks from beyond the procurement function should work in alignment with our financial goals as well as our ESG goals. At Amazon Business, we are using emerging technologies like machine learning and AI to uncover new ways to accomplish both goals simultaneously. Because procurement leaders have grown accustomed to these simplified, seamless, satisfying experiences, there's no going back, plain and simple. The second trend at the top of every decision makers right now is artificial intelligence, or AI. At this point last year, the buzz was just starting to happen. Maybe you had heard of them, maybe you hadn't heard of them. But now, practically every organization is working hard to identify opportunities to leverage AI and develop meaningful use cases with tangible results. Don't just take my word for it. AI ranks at the top of hype cycle for Gartner. What's standing out to me, though, in this is risk and accelerate. The fine line we walk with technology to make it work for us while also understanding how it actually works. While we've leveraged AI and machine learning for many years at Amazon, AI solutions are evolving at a rapid pace and improving in tandem with our use of these. Our teams at Amazon Business are thinking through these challenges and opportunities to build AI into the next wave of our products and our services. Here are some of the ways we use AI to streamline the procurement process. Intuitive spend analysis with Amazon Business Analytics. Proactive product recommendations with AI-powered search. Smart chatbots for improved customer service, and streamlined systems integrations. As our teams across Amazon develop new AI and machine learning capabilities, a core tenet is that simplicity and repeatability are key. It's key when it comes to AI in both the short and the long term. As Alex mentioned, that ability to think both in the here and now, as well as decades out, is what positions us to stay at the forefront of using AI to deliver more efficient, functional, and cost-effective buying experiences. Across the board, an AI-first approach will prove critical for organizations across operational aspects, and in some areas, it's already a foundational element. Advancements in AI will significantly enhance procurement process and revolutionize the way we build technology in the years to come. So with these two technology trends at the forefront of our minds, as we gear up for 2024, where does that leave us? One major area of growth I want to highlight, it's an innovation in creating easy ways to integrate Amazon Business with existing enterprise solutions like procurement systems, expense management, and IDP systems. Amazon Business now integrates with more than 200 systems and 200 additional partners, providing customers with greater agility and flexibility as they choose procurement solutions. Let's walk through a few of these features right now. Many of you are familiar with PunchOut. Thanks to PunchOut, our customers have benefited from the ability to start their purchasing experience in their existing e-procurement platforms, and then switch over to Amazon Business to gain access to our wide selection of items. On the other side, Punch In is a more recent feature that our enterprise customers appreciate. Punch In allows you to follow the familiar Amazon buying experience you know and love in your personal lives, beginning your buying journey on Amazon Business before submitting your completed cart to e-procurement systems. This process enables organizations to capture tail spend from buyers who go straight to Amazon Business for their purchasing needs. We also know that most business purchases start with a search. That's why we created integrated search. It enables you to search and select product offers from Amazon without leaving your e-procurement system. With integrated search, buyers who start their purchasing journey in their e-procurement system can simply search for relevant products in the search bar, make their selection, and start their ordering process right within their systems. We also have some more basic integrations, like single sign-on and a suite of APIs that allow for greater connection to various systems. For example, buyers can automatically connect to Amazon Business receipts, to their corresponding expense reports, and in their choice of expense management system. All of our integration methods empower Amazon Business customers, you, to customize the procurement lifecycle in a way that best for your organization. We have seen a 50% increase in the number of new customers adopting PunchOut, and e-invoicing adoption has increased worldwide by more than 40%. That's exciting news. It's exciting news for our teams because it shows you're making huge strides in refining the purchasing process and creating a more seamless experience for your buyers. And we're just as excited to add new integration partners in the year ahead. Today, I'm excited to highlight our next wave of technology innovations, poised to help business buyers develop more agile and resilient buying processes. In particular, I want to focus on two key areas of innovation. And it's not a coincidence that these are linked directly to what we talked about in the two trends earlier this morning. First, let's dive into several new developments that will be bringing the consumer-like purchasing experiences to the enterprise. Let's start with integrated quoting feature. Our new integrated quoting feature allows customers to generate custom quotes. It's custom quotes for Amazon Business bulk orders. Integrating quoting provides an automated request for quotes for Amazon bulk orders. This is an ideal feature when you're purchasing more than 999 items or more than $10,000 in purchases. You can simply review the Amazon Business bid, place an electronic purchase order, and there you go. And like Amazon Business, our partner Fair Market integrates this integrated quoting feature with systems like Coupa and other e-procurement systems. And this provides many options to our customers. We're excited. Many of our partners are here in the room, and they're here at the conference to talk to you more about this feature and all the other integrations that we have done with them. You can find them in the Connections Hub today and tomorrow. I want to give a big shout out to all Amazon Business e-procurement partners. It's a list that continues to grow every year. Next, we recently added a guided buying administrator toolbar. This new toolbar offers busy administrators the ability to prefer products, including the products with sustainability certifications. Administrators can now add directly at the Amazon store and instantly prefer a product while on the product page, creating a new policy for their buyers. Customers are already finding immense value in this addition to the Amazon Business experience. Whether they're saving more time tracking compliance with purchasing policies or helping steer buyers to approved items in their organizations in alignment with their larger financial and ESG goals. Next up, I want to highlight our new three-way match mobile feature. You all know that manually managing, tracking, and reconciling a three-way match can be time-consuming. It's a task prone to mistakes. In the worst case, it can result in invoice payments that are delayed or potential account suspensions. So with a simple scan of a package barcode, three-way match gives customers the ability to streamline the purchasing process across product receiving, order reconciliation, and invoice payment. This year, we expanded the three-way match to integrate with our Amazon Business mobile app. As a result, our customers gain a quicker and simpler way to close purchase orders wherever they are at any time at no additional cost. Stop by the Connection Hub for a demo of our three-way match feature. Finally, I'm thrilled to share the news that Amazon Business is rolling out its first ever App Center. As I mentioned earlier, integrations that customize the procurement experience are very important to our enterprise customers. In the Amazon Business App Center, customers can discover third-party apps integrated with Amazon Business that span across categories of solutions, including accounting management, rewards and recognition, expense management, integrated shopping, inventory management, and many, many more. Right now, we're working on adding new partners and integrations into this experience. Now let's take a look at our second key area of innovation, how our team is applying advanced AI tools to inform and improve the procurement experience in not only the short term, but the long term. There are two key AI enhancements that I'm especially excited to spotlight. First, I want to start by highlighting our enhancements in search. Our past purchase product recommendations in search feature has made shopping faster, easier, and more responsive. The new enhanced autocomplete function offers customers quick suggestions as they begin typing keywords and provides up to 3 product recommendations based on their previous purchases. Whether buyers are looking for a specific part with a product number or searching among a generic product type, by clicking on a suggestion, customers are directed straight to the product details page. And then they can easily add items to the cart from there. And second, Amazon Business Analytics. It continues to evolve to better serve customers. This year, we launched a new analytics homepage, a new monthly spending summary email, and a new data points such as custom price. This displays the savings and organization gains through custom offers. On the other hand, our Business Prime customers also find great value in spend visibility, which is a Business Prime exclusive feature. Spend visibility combines all of the power of Amazon Business Analytics with visual, interactive dashboards. Thanks to spend visibility, more than 2/3 of Amazon Business Prime customers have improved management over their purchases. In fact, Amazon Business Prime customers surveyed reported savings of 20% on product costs and recover 15% of spending generated by rogue buyers. This is according to findings from our newly released report from Forrester, as well as what we have heard from some of you, our customers. The future of technology at Amazon Business is an exciting one, and I feel lucky to be a part of it. Seeing all of you gathered here today energizes me. It energizes our teams here at Amazon to continue innovating with you, our customers, in mind. We're eager to develop and introduce bigger and better opportunities for technology to make it easier for your business to buy the products you need most when you need them, and powering a predictable buying in unpredictable times. If I may, let me leave you with some parting advice. First, no matter the stage of innovation life cycle you're in, there's always a way to do more. Do more, see more, learn more. Technology can help us get you there, and our teams at Amazon Business is always looking for opportunities to rise to the occasion as a partner to you, our customers everywhere. And second, you'll hear a lot from Amazon Business leaders this week, but we believe it's just as important that we hear from all of you. So please come find us. Come find us throughout this conference, talk to us, tell us what we are doing well, and yes, what we can improve upon for you. Because customer obsession starts with listening, and that's what we are here to do. With that, we have a full 2 days of fantastic speakers, breakout sessions, and panel discussions. I'm excited to listen, learn, and hear the wisdom of all of our speakers and what they have to share. And I hope you are too. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your conference.